YouTube, Dr. Lego Professor 480 here, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Lego City helicopter, or police helicopter, set number 7741, recommended for ages 5 to 12, and count of pieces is 94. Kind of hard to believe. In the front we see the helicopter, with a little police officer carrying handcuffs into the helicopter. And let's take a look at the back. So it's pretty basic. Here it says designed for Illinois, it's clay, the helicopter, a guy with moving that around, so it's down there too. He's opening the thing up and putting binoculars to a compartment. It's pretty cool. And the top actually spins. It's really cool. Love the set. It's a nice set to play with. Play with it a few times. And there's a little press thumb thingy. So let's take a look at the set. Here it is. Let me take the guy out. Okay. 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 So you can see I just spun this. See, look how nicely it spins. Spins nice and barely see the blade. Spins nice and like going with the flow. Yeah. So that's cool. And you just saw what I did with the top. The propeller comes off, and the top, it's like manually you have to do that. It's not all easy peasy and stuff. And everything, so there and there is a control panel and I think something to lean back on. And under here says P32 police is the number of the helicopter, and police, I guess. There's police everywhere. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at the back propeller. Okay. And there is back propeller. Kind of hard to see, but it spins nice. And look at the flow. It's got one of those gray Tectic pins that makes it spin easier. The black ones are like just connect them. There's a red light and police, a windbreaker thingy. Police, it's cool. There's a part where you can pull this down. There are binoculars on that side, and there's the other side. There is handcuffs. See, it's hard to see that kind of. There they go. They popped up. Handcuffs. There's camera down. Oops. I'll fix that later. There's a camera down here. Can flexible, moves, and freely. I built this this morning. It was fun. And this piece down here, all one piece. All one big skitter piece or something. And then the front, a light under there, yes. Pretty cool thingy revealed earlier, and these thingies, the propellers here, actually on the top of it can actually get flexed back and forth if we want to. Okay. That is, hang on. Pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.